Title: ɡaʊn, elegance in fabric. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡaʊn. A ɡaʊn is a formal, often long and elegant, dress, typically worn on special occasions or for specific purposes. It's a term that signifies the beauty and grace of clothing in its finest form. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡaʊn is simple, ɡaʊn, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the bride looked absolutely stunning in her wedding gown, a symbol of the most significant day in her life. Importance: gowns are an essential part of formal attire, representing sophistication, tradition, and the celebration of significant moments. Conclusion: in summary, ɡaʊn is a word that represents the elegance and beauty of clothing, particularly on special occasions. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the allure and significance of gowns in our lives.